Hello everyone. Deep learning, the AI revolution. Deep learning, a powerful subset of artificial intelligence, is transforming how we interact with technology and understand complex data. This presentation will explore its core concepts, practical applications, and the exciting future it promises. Neural networks, the brain behind deep learning. At the heart of deep learning lies the artificial neural network, inspired by the human brain's structure. These networks consist of interconnected layers of, neurons that process information. Input layer receives raw data, e.g. image pixels, audio waves. Hidden layers perform complex computations, extracting features and patterns. There can be many such layers, giving deep learning its deep characteristic. Output layer provides the final result, such as a classification or prediction. How deep learning learns data. Ingestion. Massive datasets, often labeled, are fed into the network. The more data, the better the learning. Weight adjustment. The network assigns weights to connections. These weights are iteratively adjusted during training. Error minimization. Through algorithms like backpropagation, the network minimizes errors between its predictions and actual outcomes. Feature extraction. Deep layers automatically learn to identify increasingly complex features from the raw input data. This iterative process allows deep learning models to identify intricate patterns and make highly accurate predictions or classifications, surpassing traditional machine learning in many domains. It's like teaching a child by showing them millions of examples until they recognize a cat or a dog. Transformative applications across industries. Autonomous vehicles. Enabling cars to perceive their environment, recognize objects, and navigate safely. Medical diagnostics. Assisting in early disease detection, analyzing complex medical images like X-rays and MRIs. Natural language processing. Powering virtual assistants, language translation, and sentiment analysis for human-computer interaction. Robotics and automation. Improving robotic perception, control, and decision-making in various industrial and service sectors. These are just a few examples of how deep learning is not only enhancing existing technologies, but also paving the way for entirely new possibilities, from personalized education to smart cities. The future is deep. Challenges and opportunities ethical AI. Addressing bias, fairness, and accountability in AI systems is crucial for responsible development. Computational power. The demand for more powerful hardware continues to drive innovation in computing architectures. Explainability. Making deep learning models more transparent and interpretable remains an active area of research. New architectures. Continuous development of novel network designs to tackle increasingly complex problems. As deep learning evolves, it promises to unlock unprecedented capabilities, from scientific discovery to creating truly intelligent systems. Understanding its principles is key to shaping this exciting future. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.